What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in this video I'm just going to be touching on 7 action items, guys. 7 things that should be on your radar, guys. And I'm doing this many just because I won't be making a video for another week. I'm going on a vacation. I'm not coming back till next Friday, guys. So this is my last video until next Friday. Please bear with me, but this is stuff that should be on your radar, so please make sure you pay attention and watch this entire video, guys. Before we get started, please make sure that none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do is never going to be financial advice. Make sure you're doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that being said, let's get right into it. Number one on the list is going to be tomorrow, the 9th of October, guys. This is Rogue Sharks, guys. This is the premium grade NFT project I have been talking about. There are several videos about it. Check them out. This is happening tomorrow. Keep this on your radar. If you get one, you are sitting pretty. Next up is HappyFans, and I've already made a video on this, guys. This is pretty much a OnlyFans, but on the blockchain. And guys, this is happening in 3 places. It's an IDO launching on BSC, KCC, and ETHPad. This is happening on the 13th of October, so make sure you are marking your calendar. Again, this is an IDO on BSC pad, on KCC pad, and ETHPad, guys. HappyFans, make sure you don't miss it. Next up, we've got Derived Finance, guys, and this is actually a very interesting one. This is launching on Occam Finance on the same day as HappyFans, on the 13th of October. Don't miss it, guys. In Derived Finance, I have not touched on this, but essentially it is a multi-chain synthetic trading platform. So essentially you can actually trade assets such as stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Again, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto, kind of similar to what some of the other synthetics projects are doing, guys. This is one that's going to be launched on Cardano through Occam Finance, guys. Occam Finance is going to be doing this IDO. Make sure that you are getting on there and you are registering so that you can partake in this IDO, guys. That is it for this one. Let's go to the next one. And that one is going to be Galactic Geckos, guys. I have made several videos on this as well, going into details about what the benefits are of actually holding this NFT. But on the 15th is when they're going to release the 5th faction. So if you're holding one of each faction, there are 4 in your wallet, not on any kind of marketplace, but in your wallet, you will unlock a key, which is a crystal shard, and with that you can get the 5th faction. So make sure that if you are interested in getting the 5th faction and you've already invested in some of these Galactic Geckos, don't miss this date. It's going to be happening on the 15th of October, guys. And next we've got Cryptopolis, guys, and I've made a video on this as well in more detail, but essentially this is like Sims on the blockchain. You're making money playing the Sims. Essentially, you're going to start in a small apartment in the tower and you're going to work your way up to the top into the penthouse. Guys, Cryptopolis is the first official game launching on GameZone, guys, and GameZone has 2 tiers that are going to allow you to participate in IGOs, initial game offerings. So make sure that you are looking at the top 2 tiers, not the bottom tiers. When you're looking at this, this is happening on the 18th of October, guys. Cryptopolis, 18th of October. Mark your calendar, guys. And next we've got Ghostverse, guys. Check it out. Guys, this is really exciting. This is the second IGO happening on GameZone, guys. Ghostspurs is a spooky new metaverse, guys. It is a 3D magic-based PvP, PvE sandbox play-to-earn game where you can fight other Ghostspurs, build, mate, and more. Guys, there are 2 parts of this, guys. There are 2 parts, keep in mind. The NDO, which is going to be the NFT decentralized offering, is going to be happening on NFT launch, which is another BLueZilla launchpad for NFTs, guys. It's crazy. NFT launch, and make sure that you have a minimum of 20,000 staked in order to be a part of this, guys. And the second part of this is going to be the IGO, the actual IDO, if you will, or the initial game offering. And as you know, that's going to be happening on GameZone, guys. And again, you need to be on either the second highest or highest tier here in order to partake in IGOs, guys. And that is it for me, guys. That's all I wanted to mention, guys. Please ignore that pop-up that just came, but just know that I am going to be on vacation once more. I am on vacation until next Friday. I will not be making any videos this entire week, but I will be making videos the second I get back. Believe me, guys. Thank you so much for the support. The channel is already growing. I'm already almost at 300 subscribers after only 2 weeks. I love it, guys. Thank you again for your support. That is it for me, guys. I am out. Peace, and see you guys on the next one.